3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today we're just going to do a mystery box unboxing. This is the very first time I've done this. I've seen lots of beauty people do this before, and I always thought, and that looks like it would be fun to do. And yeah, but I never had any money after Christmas was over to buy anything, because this is like available the day after Christmas on the 26th. They make these available, and it is from Beautylish, and I don't usually buy stuff from Beautylish. It's called their Lucky Bags, and they usually have them in the regular Lucky Bag is $75, and the XL Lucky Bag is $175. No, well, $150, I think. I think what it is, I'll put it down below, or yep, down here. That the $75 bag, and I'll put it here about what the retail value is. I'll put all pertinent information here, like what I got and everything, and what the retail value of it is, and the entire retail value of the box or whatever. But I know, like, the $150 box, you can get up to $300 worth of product in it. I'm not sure about this box. I only got the regular. I only got the $75 box, because I mean, I'm not. Gone are the days where I spend $150 on a freaking mystery box. No, thank you, because you never know what you're gonna get. And I have decluttered so much mystery box makeup that, you know, I'm kind of over mystery boxes, but I really want to do this one. Now, where did my scissors go? Okay, if you want to see what I got in my Beautylish Lucky Bag, then hang tight, because we're getting right on into it. Three, two, one. Okay, so like I said, this is the $75 Beautylish, and this has like some Chinese background to it, I believe, something like that. And look at this paper that it comes in. It is very, very beautiful paper that you can keep from it. And it says something here on it. It says the dragons, this has something to do with Lunar New Year. The dragons on this year's Lucky Bag symbolize good luck and fortune, along with power and change. We hope these surprises offer you moments of self-love that help you tap into your power in 2024. Hashtag Lucky Bag 2024. Hashtag Beautylish. So we're going to keep that there. I'm going to open it up here, and the packaging. I packaged everything very nice. Okay, and it's all in this bubble wrap here. I want to be surprised as much as possible. So I'm going to, like, not look here, and I'm going to... My ring keeps falling off. Okay. Okay, let's rip into this. Hold, please. Three, two, one. Okay, let's pull the. Oh, that's some rubbish. Let's save that. Okay, first thing we got here is from Good Molecules. I know that Good Molecules is a brand that they have at Beautylish, and this is the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. I really like this stuff, and I bought this from them before. This only cost like $3 or something from them, I believe. I'll put it down below how much it costs. But this is a really good product, this eye gel. You know, I'm glad to have it back with me. I do know they do put lower end, I don't mean lower end, but more affordable stuff and higher end stuff in this box. So we're going to start off with that. The next thing I have is from MOB. I forgot what MOB stands for, but this is a lip capsule. What is a lip capsule? Okay, it's empty, so there must be something that goes in it. And we will return to that, I believe. Maybe this goes in it. Right here. This is lipstick rouge. Okay. Number 7. It's a lipstick refill. Recharge de rouge. Is it just a number 7? Okay, how do I open it? Is my next question. And do I have to touch the lipstick too? Okay, no. Okay, so that's what it looks like there. Let's see here. Is this pretty self-explanatory? Okay. Okay. That's a color. That is definitely a color. I will say that for sure. Okay. We got that. Let's swatch that color. Well, that's definitely a spring kind of color. Which is okay. We can do a spring color. Okay, so we have that. It's our first piece of makeup. Okay. All right. What do we have next? We have some from Charlotte Tilbury. Ooh. This is the contour wand. Okay. Hollywood contour wand. In the shade fair to medium. Okay. So that's what the box looks like. All right there. I never had a contour wand before. Is this one with the little poof on it? Okay, and here's what it looks like right here. Let's see. I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, there it goes, real quick, like. Okay. Okay, that'll probably work. That will probably work. Okay. So we have this, the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand in fair to medium. I know with some of the boxes, I don't know if it was with the extra large box or with the regular box, you got to choose either light or deep or light medium, medium deep, something like that. I thought that was with the extra large box though. I can't remember off the top of my head right now. Okay, all right, next. Oh, something from Viseart. Looks like a palette. Okay, the Violette Vespertine. Let's see. Okay. Viseart's very, very nice brand. Okay. That is a very nice purple palette. Very, very beautiful. I like it. I really like it. We got some lights, we got some darks, we got some midtones, we got some shimmers, we got some dark shimmers, we got some light shimmers. Looks like everything, pretty much everything that I would like in a palette. Wow, we'll have to do a try on. Absolutely. Okay, so we got that palette. Okay, I'm pulling out this big thing here. What is this? Suzanne Kaufman, a body butter. Body Essentials. Okay. That is what it looks like. Okay, this thing's heavy. Okay, so here we have that. Oh, that's the front right there. Okay. Oh, it smells really good. But okay, I'm opening it. Oh, it looks so creamy. Oh, that smells like some kind of passion fruit or something like that. It smells very fruity. Oh, let's put it here. Okay, let's just put it on my hands here. Got like passion fruit, or I don't know, right? Not mango. I'll have to look it up and see if it says what the scent is. What does the box say? The box say anything? It didn't say like it said anything. Okay, this beautifully rich body butter helps to protect against dryness and leave skin feeling velvety soft, developed with shea butter rich in vitamin E, whey, and honey, known for their moisturizing properties, and beeswax abundant in amino acids and vitamins too. Okay, sorry, I can't. Sorry, it's very, okay, that's about all it says. Okay. It smells very tropical. Let's just put it that way. It smells very tropical. Okay. Yeah, so there's a lot in here. Three, two, one. You know what I didn't do? I didn't swatch any of this Viseart palette. So let's do that. These don't have any shade names on it, but let's do some of these darker colors here. Those purples there. Those look really nice. This swatch really well. And let's do 3 shimmers. Let's do a nice purple. Nice purple. Oh, look at that one there. Could that be a dual crew maybe? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Those are beautiful. That is a nice palette. That is a very nice palette. I only have one other Viseart palette, and it's just mattes. I don't have any Viseart shimmers. Viseart shimmers. So let's see what else we have. Okay, one more thing. Is that what I'm saying? One more thing. Okay, one more thing in here. And it is a brush. And it is from, oh, it's a Wayne Goss brush. Okay, cool. I think it says WG. I think that means Wayne Goss. And I'll have to look this up and see what kind of brush this is. I don't know if it's synthetic or goat hair or what. And what this is used for. I'm not a brush person. I don't know much about brushes, but what would this be good for? What do y'all think? Highlighter, maybe? I don't know. I'll have to look this up. I'll have to look this up. But I think it says WG on it. I think this is Wayne Goss brush. I don't have anything from Wayne Goss. No, that's awesome. Okay, so that is everything that I got in my Beautylish lucky bag. I think I did pretty good for my very first lucky bag. Getting something from Charlotte Tilbury, Viseart, Wayne Goss, and this really nice body butter. Yeah, good molecules. I don't know about this. We'll have to see about this. let's try this on. Let's try this on. Oh, I got some. Oh, I'm taking my lip stain off. Three, two, one. Okay, so this is this color number 7. Kind of fuchsia. I have stranger colors in my collection, believe me. I think I could pull it off. Not with this look, obviously, but I think it's a pink that I can pull off. Just every lipstick just needs the right look. I think. Okay. All right. So that is everything I got, like I said, in this lucky bag. And yeah, so let me know, what you think. Did you get a lucky bag? What did you get in your lucky bag? Did you get the XL one? What kind of items did you get in it? Was it worth it? All of that stuff. So tell me what you think this kind of brush is for as well. Did I just throw that away? Yes, I did. Okay. All right. Okay. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. And please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. This was just an easy video for me to do as I'm easing myself back into trying to film every day. And yeah. So give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends if you think they would enjoy it as well. And thank you so much for watching. Whether you are a subscriber, thank you for sticking with me while I'm trying to navigate through the beginning of this year. Everything is just all crazy-fied. Whether you are a casual viewer, whether this is your very first video watching me, thank you so much for choosing this video to watch. If you like what you see and you want to see some more, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, setting it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So with that all said, I hope you're all having a wonderful, fantastic, amazing day out there today. If you're having an especially hard time, know that I'm thinking about you. I'm sending you out all of those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video tomorrow because I got a collab that I'm doing tomorrow. So I'll see you then. All right. Take care. Okay, bye.